Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Facebook business page. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. First, you'd like to go to facebook.com, or if you are in your phone, just go to Facebook app. Once you do so, you'd like to go to the page or to the business page that you want to delete. An example, for me on my PC, I can go to this list panel and I can click here on pages. So once you do so, you'll find yourself here. Just go and switch to the page or to the business page that you want to delete. So let's say it's this one. You can click on switch now and click on switch. Make sure that you are on that page. Once you are there, on this list panel, you can click on settings and you'll find yourself here. So from here, just go to this list menu. If you're on phone, just scroll down until you reach this section of your information. From there, click on access and control, and you'll find yourself with this page. So here you'll be able to deactivate and publish or delete the Facebook page. For you, just go and choose delete this page, and this is permanent. You won't be able to retrieve the content or information that you've shared on a Facebook as this page. Of course, your messenger and all of your messages also will be deleted. So keep that in mind and just go and click on continue here. So once you click on that, you can have two options. You can either download your information or transfer a copy of your information. So you can do both if you want to before deleting it. As an example, you can choose if you want to delete it or if you want to download as HTML, the quality, the date range, and everything as examples. You can request a download, and you do have the transfer option as example. If it's available for you, you'll be able to do it. If you don't want to do it, you can just go and click on continue. If you want to download this first, make sure to do so. So here you'll have to enter the password for that page or for your Facebook account, then click on continue. And as you can see, you'll have to confirm that you want to permanently delete the page. So you're about to permanently delete it. You will have, of course, 30 days to reactivate your page and cancel the deletion. If you regret, as an example, your choice. But after 30 days, the deletion process will begin and you will not be able to retrieve any of the content or information. If you are very sure, click on delete page and then the page should be deleted, but you will still have an option to reactivate it during the 30 days. But if you surpass the 30 days, that means it's over for you. The page is permanently deleted. So that should be it for me in this video. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe and watch our next video.